Our mission as academics is to do the kind of scholarship that will improve the world.
Discoveries happen at the borders of disciplines. Everything gets improved when you exchange ideas.
Before college and during college, I worked with a lot of children. And I saw that, some kids were really flourishing, some kids were struggling. My research tries to understand what are the forces that lead to those differences and what could we do to help their lives be more predictable and manageable.
I left Colombia when the war against the guerrillas was at its worst. It was a very difficult period. I have been studying how memory reactivation can modify the contents of the original memory for the better. Maybe what we do when we forgive is that we change the emotional tone of the memory so that it just doesn't hurt as much.
Here at Duke, we're really able to bring people together from across different perspectives to answer really important research questions. And that's a really exciting thing about doing this research.
My work in philosophy is as important as my work in psychology and in neuroscience. And I like that faculty members and that the university itself sees that as an asset.
It's things like parents in low-wage workplaces accessing social services, housing and housing instability, or driver's license suspension, which is a huge issue of inequality.
It's just very powerful to see how someone who has suffered so much can nevertheless bring themselves to restructure a peaceful community. That's just remarkable.
Duke has really thought creatively and in a really forward-looking way to invest in research that can be used for positive change.
It's just the perfect recipe for creativity, for novel work.
A big part of our mission is equipping the students with the tools that they need.
I've had students that go on to become philosophy professors. Some have gone to law school, many that go into medical school.
If some of my work could lead to policy change to make our communities and our world a better place, that would be